Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to customize and create a store on Shopify about wine and spirits businesses and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want. So I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. After you choose an account and log in. After this, wait a few seconds now to for creating this store. So the first thing you have to do now, go to the online store here and go to the themes. So here you can select the theme, any theme you want. I'm gonna just skip this down theme. Just click add and wait to install the theme. After this you can click publish and can customize it on your home page store. Now click here customize and it will take you to your home page store here. So here we have the style of your home page. You can change it, you can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So that's it, just keep it like this. I'm gonna keep just desktop style. So here this is the settings where you can design the style of your home page store. So here first we have here the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme, you can show separator line, here you can show icons on desktop. You can also auto-rotate announcements, you can enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text, you can pass a link or search for something here. I'm gonna select collections. So let's move on to the header section. So here you can change the desktop logo position, you can change the main menu, also you can change the desktop menu type, you can change the sticky header, you can show separator line, also you can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can edit the mobile logo position, you can also edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. You can manage the theme settings. Here you can enable search suggestions. So here if you want to add put your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or YouTube or whatever you want to add here of links. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you have to select your logo from your library. So just for example, let's search on this on the browser, wine and spirits logo. So for example, you can search here on any logo you want. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Of course, this is just for example, you have to upload it from your library. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time, edit it at any time you want. Here you can change the desktop logo width, you can edit it, you can also edit the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here you have two images, you can add the first and the second image if you want. So just for example, let's search on the first image on the browser, and the second image you can upload it from your library. So for example, so that's it. you can add the second image here. You can edit the image overlay opacity. Also you can edit the banner height. You can edit the desktop content position. Also you can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. You can change the animation, the image behavior, the mobile content alignment. Here you can turn this on. Stock image on mobile. You can show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the heading of this image banner. So here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Wine and spirits. And click here generate. And after this, choose one of these suggestions here. Here you can change the heading size. I'm gonna make it medium. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label, and you can change the first button link. You can search for it. Here you can use outline button style. If you already add the second image, here you can add the second button label, and you can add the second button link, and also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the featured collection section. So here you can generate the text. Also here just describe what this text is about. Wine and spirits. Also the description. Of course you can describe more. This is just for example. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. You can edit the collection here or create your own collection. Here if you want to make product full width, you can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Also you can enable carousel on desktop. You can edit the product card. Here you can show second image on hover. You can show vendor. You can show product region. Also you can enable swipe on mobile. You can enable quick add button. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of what kind of section you want to add in your home page here as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the features section. So here you can change the color scheme. Also you can show email sign up. You can generate the text here. Just describe what this text is about. You can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website and add your emails and all that, after this save, and let's get back to the home page, to the dashboard. So here the next step, after you customize your online store and add your first product, the next step is name your store. So here type any name you want. You can add your store phone. Also here you can change the store email and add your email. So that's it. After this, all you have to do is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it, how to customize and create your store on Shopify for wine and spirits business, easy and quick. That's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.